Everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 1st of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Who is the CEO of Sansad TV? Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Antyodaya Parivar Uthan Yojana? Kaushalya Matritva Yojana is of which state? Second edition of Khelo India Winter National Games to be held in which state? Ma Bambleshwari Devi Temple is in which state? Ropur Nuclear Power Plant is located where? Who is the administrator of NASA? Which ministry has launched Sugamya Bharat app? Where is the headquarters of Eastern Naval Command? Which state has launched Mo Chatwa and E-Kalika mobile app? So the CEO of Sansad TV is Ravi Kapoor. Ravi Kapoor is the CEO of Sansad TV. So, Mukhyamantri Antyodaya Parivar Uthan Yojana launched by Haryana. Kaushalya Matritva Yojana is of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Second edition of Khelo India Winter Games to be held in Gulmarg. And Gulmarg is in Jammu Kashmir. Ma Bambleshwari Devi Temple is in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Ropur Nuclear Power Plant is located in Bangladesh. Administrator of NASA is Bill Nelson. Bill Nelson. Sugamya Bharat app has been launched by Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Thawarchand Gehlot. Thawarchand Gehlot has launched this app. Where is the headquarters of Eastern Naval? Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. If I say where is the headquarters of Western Naval Command, it is in Mumbai. Mumbai. So Mo Chatwa and E-Kalika apps were launched by Odisha. So let's start 1st of June current affairs. When do we observe International Amnesty International Day is observed? So it was observed on 28th of May. Which ministry has launched the scheme named Yuva to train young and budding authors? So this Yuva stands for young, upcoming, versatile authors. So this scheme has been launched by Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So in this scheme, the authors are going to take the competition, and the winner is going to get 50,000 rupees of scholarship for 6 months. Okay, 50,000 rupees scholarship for 6 months. So this is the Yuva scheme launched by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which ministry has launched the Eclipse and After Festival? So this festival has been launched by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Minister. He is Prakash Javadekar. So Prakash Javadekar has launched this festival, the Eclipse and After. When do we observe World No Tobacco Day? So this day is 31st of March. So 31st of March we observe it as World No Tobacco Day. Who is the author of the book Language of Truth? So this book has been penned down by Salman Rushdie. So Salman Rushdie has written the book Language of Truth. So let me tell you some of the books which were in news. The Bench book has been written by Meghan Merkel. Buddha, one book is there, Buddha in Grantha, in Gandhar, in Gandhar. This book has been written by Sunita Trivedi. Sunita Dwivedi's book is Buddha in Gandhar. So next, India and Asian Geopolitics has been written by Shiv Shankar. Shiv Shankar's book is India and Asian Geopolitics. 7 Lessons from Everest. This book has been written by Aditya Gupta. Aditya Gupta's book is 7 Lessons from Everest. Nehru, Tibet, China. This book has been written by Avtar Singh. Avtar Singh has written the book Nehru, Tibet, China. Tigray, CNN news recently, is located in which country? So this is located in Ethiopia. Ethiopia's capital is Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa. Which among the following state has given an assent to implement the Recovery of Damage to Property Act? So this has been implemented by Haryana government. Who is the CM? Manohar Lal. Manohar Lal is the CM of Haryana. So Haryana was recently in news because they have launched Oxygen on Wheels. Oxygen on Wheels in Karnal district. And recently they did monkey census. And recently Mukhyamantri Antyodaya Parivar Yojana, that scheme also launched by Haryana. And recently they have decided to provide 5,000 rupees for BPL card holders. North Atlantic Treaty Organization is conducting Steadfast Defender 21 War Games military exercise. So where is the headquarters of NATO? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This headquarters is in Brussels in Belgium. Which state has launched a special assistance scheme for COVID mortality? So this has been launched by Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir's governor is Manoj Sinha. Jammu Kashmir Bank chairman is R.K. Chibbar is the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Bank. And Jammu and Kashmir government has launched the Super 75 scholarship. Super 75 scholarship. And recently they launched 2 mobile apps called Tamir Tarakki and Hamari Sadak app has been launched by Jammu Kashmir. Which company is planning to outcome with India's largest initial public offering worth of $3 billion? So this company is Paytm. CEO is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. So Paytm is planning to outcome with India's largest initial public offering worth of $3 billion. Who has been appointed first female Secretary of Army of United States? So she is Christiane Wormuth. She is already in the secretary under defense of USA, and now she is the first female secretary in Army of USA. global annual to decadal climate update report has been released by which organization? So this report has been released by World Meteorological Organization. Headquarters is in Geneva. Headquarters is in Geneva. Where is the headquarters of World Bank? Washington. Washington. European Union, IMF, Washington, Brussels, Belgium, in Belgium, or you can say in Belgium. Mayor Island seen in news recently. It is located in Yemen. Yemen's capital is Sana'a. Who is the Director General of National Investigation Agency? So YC Modi has retired now. YC Modi. Now Kuldeep Singh, already the Director General of CRPF. Now he has given the additional Director General of National Investigation Agency. So if I ask you who is the Director General of CISF, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal is the DG of CISF. Which High Court has slammed the state government and pathetic living conditions of Van Gujar tribes? So who are these Van Gujar tribes? So they are forced to live in open sky. So these peoples, so here Uttarakhand government has ordered, Uttarakhand High Court has ordered to the state government to take care of these peoples for accommodation, water, food and COVID tests and COVID-19 test. So if you talk about Uttarakhand High Court, who is the Chief Justice? Raghavendra Singh Chauhan, R.S. Chauhan. R.S. Chauhan is the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. So recently they have Uttarakhand Police has launched Mission Hausla. Mission Hausla has been launched by Uttarakhand Police. And Uttarakhand has Chota Char Dham. Char Dham consists of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. So this is the Chota Char Dham in Uttarakhand. So